So here is our master availability. Right here, you can go to the website. You can always go to photos and tour. One of the best things, like the availability, sometimes you can check it online and sometimes you can't, but that's why we have, our Excel spreadsheet. So right now it says requests, has 3, it looks like they're all full on 1-bedrooms. If it says available now and doesn't say request info, that's when you kind of know, like, there's nothing available. But it does have the floor plans there. You can always copy them. We'll probably put these into the online site or whatever, or drive. But so all of these will go to our website, but you really do have to use a laptop to do this, because like this little arrow right here will not pick up. This is your management team. Okay, Kelly's been putting in notes right here. The ones that are blue do not have notes in them yet. Now doesn't necessarily mean she just hasn't got to it. That's why it's blue. So I started going in and like putting none. But you see, like Vestavia Reserve, they have on 8/6, they have one in August. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's renting for $15.75. Vestavia Reserve is freaking awesome. Like, they're the high end of the high end. They have bicycles, they have yes, they have a pond. Y'all can look at our pictures that our photographer took. They're way better than theirs. Yeah, it's super, super nice. They have if anybody's like got a lot of money and it's got a glass shower. If anybody has a lot of money and has a dog, they have the most awesome dog, like, yeah. Well, let's see if we can find it on here. Like, it is a spa for the dogs. It seriously, there it is.
Oh yeah, that's right. I've seen that.
Like, if you have a doctor or something moving in here, it's not only is it zoned for Vestavia school systems, it's got a saltwater pool.
Saltwater? Wow, cool.
Yep, features a saltwater pool. That could be one of your headlines. With a pet spa, or something like that when you're describing it. I'm probably going to be doing the posting for you guys and funneling it all into Rent at Hope Locating, and then helping y'all like that. I know you know how to do it, Travis, but just where, because there's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath available on ground level at where at? It's Summit 150. All right, so ground levels sell first. I need to post that.
Yeah, a lot of people. They definitely do.
1-bedrooms, I'll post all that tonight. So this is like the questions that you ask when you go out to the property for the first time, and it's on your drive. You can print this out, put it in your folder. Floor plans, get your floor plans, gross income, do they accept co-signers? Do they have different lease terms, pet restrictions, storage? Any notes that stood out during your tour? Bobby made this really cool because he's like 3 things that stood out to you the way you'll remember it, and be able to tell people. Pet restrictions, elementary, middle school. That way, when you go to the property, not only will you have this in paper, but you'll know all the questions to ask. But that is on our drive. Okay, so say for instance somebody wants a certain school system. We haven't put all the school systems in there yet, or zip codes. Say for instance you know the zip codes. All you have to do is go to zip codes and sort. They'll put all of it together with the zip codes that are already in there. Like, we just need to add zip codes. So you know that, you know, Avondale 2 is going to be close to downtown. This right here's, you know, in Hoover. All of these are in the same district. So that's how you can populate that. Let's go back. The availability, you can also do that by, like, you know, sort A to Z. Let's go. Make sure it did. Yeah, it kept the same zip codes. See how it rearranged stuff though? It put Apex up here, which is Forest Park. So it repopulated everything for you. So what if you're looking for a 1 bedroom? Let's go out of this. I'm gonna go back in it. Or a certain price range, area, anything like that, you'll be able to populate it like that. So, yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, okay.
And you do like A to Z. So if they wanted a certain area, boom. Avondale, Birmingham, downtown, Forest Park, all the Highland, all the Homewood, all the Hoover are put together. All the Lakeshore are put together. So it changes, you know, because like the Kinsey and stuff.
A lot easier.
And so it'll help you, you know, like, it'll help you, of course, like figure out what is available and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
And so, like, say for instance, I need, you know, I got to finish putting the zip codes in here. That way they'll do right. But say for instance, I want to do A to Z here. I'm looking for 1 bedrooms. Then it'll do 2 bedrooms. Then it'll do 3 bedrooms. Then studios.
That's a time saver, right?
And area is different for downtown. What the area column represents is different in the 280 properties and Hoover properties than it's downtown. Downtown would be more about like Forest Park or Avondale or Highland
Which
Park.
we have these areas
It's
right
more
here.
school district. It's more like school district on this one than for the other properties above.
Yeah, so when we're going to finish putting the school districts on there. See right here we have some of them already, but we'll finish putting them all on there. That way we know which school districts they are. So if we need to
You can add it to
do
it, though.
that, it'll do this.
Is there a way you could do it, Jesse, where you, instead of putting it in the middle, the ones that are already there, you can add it to it so it can transfer to the CRM easy, and not have to readjust it? All the columns, you know what I mean?
It's just changing the way it pulls up.
Yeah.
The reason why I have it like that is where you can populate different columns at different times. So
Okay.
what if they don't need that school district? What if they just need a 1 bedroom? What if they
Mhm.
just need this price range? What if they need, I keep on going back because I don't want to like mess anything up. Say for instance, like the rate. Okay, so let's see the rate. Starts out at the cheapest, goes up to the highest.
I like that. I like this.
So that way, if you can match their rental budget with you know what they got going on right now. Kelly has the look and lease specials right here. The little, like right here, model unit 109 lot box OCN. That's our code for it. Anything with, you know, the little boxes that she has, you know, this has got through, it's the Rosewood floor plan. So you can look online at the hill, pull it up. Boom, boom. The hill, come on. Where'd it go? Sorry, I'm a little bit of technical difficulties. I might not have the link to that. Yeah, I don't.
It's not let me do anything now. I keep flashing Jesse.
Hmm?
Oh, we don't have the
I just gotta do the hyperlink in it.
Okay.
It's not attached. So if that ever happened, just copy that. This is letting me view only, because I'm in rent at Hope Locating. So it's not gonna let me change it. We did that just because it's so easy to mess it up. Not because we don't trust you guys.
I don't want to be able to do it. You don't want me to do it.
Now, if you,
I'm still working on the descriptions and amenities and all that. It just takes a while to get back. I used to have them, but
if you want to like hide any of this, I mean, all you gotta do is, you know, I think everybody knows how to do this, but hide that sucker because you won't.
hide it, Jesse.
You pretty much can tell it to do whatever you want to do now. You have an Excel experience. I'm kind of certified anyway.
Cool. Well, anything that you want to add to this? Yeah.
But you can make it do whatever you want it to do, filter it out.
Mm-hmm. It's amazing. I love it.
Helping with it.
Control find is cool.
Oh yeah, I was doing it over here.
Oh, you were,
Over
if you're looking for a
yeah.
specific school.
I do it in my email. I do it wherever. Control.
You're talking about sorting by the school system?
Not sorting, but just control F, and then type in Simmons Middle School.
Oh,
And it'll say like 1 of 3, and you can hit enter, and it'll highlight on the spreadsheet, so you can know
That's
if
cool.
they're looking specifically for Simmons Middle School, Hoover High School, whatever they may need.
See, I only have one bedroom left right now at yeah, and it's over in River Chase.
Okay, so like up that hill where Summer Chase.
Yeah,
is
yeah,
located,
that's it.
all those, you got to okay.
Yeah, that's it.
But they said they have 2, but one's available now and one's not coming available. But that's pretty. They always stay up to date on their stuff, like online. So I like that. I think you guys know y'all can hide this. Let's see. Well, I don't think I can hide it just because I'm in. Yeah, because I can't change it because I'm not an administrator on rent. But I mean, I think everything we need is on there. We need to add some stuff. But in the meantime, you know, it's a work in progress. So it's going to get better. Anything up underneath the red is downtown properties. And we'll finish it up. So far, it's a work in progress. And I think we did a good job with Kelly, Bobby, all of us. We've done a good job. And it makes things easier. That's why everything's cloud-based. And I love it. Okay, so I'm going to pause this. And we're going to look at Zero right quick. And then we'll be done. And that way. And then I'm going to do calendar and that's all.